a medieval, send it to Train, aka stake it, right? You get to basically get airdropped a PrimEvil, or you get to mint a PrimEvil. And well, if you like your new NFT, you can basically just burn 2 others to save it. That's kind of it. I mean, like, this is going to be like really exciting. This is not the first time this has been done. As mentioned before, they've had this done with the orcs already, right? And well, another day, another dollar. Let's just go to like the voting page. Boom. Awesome. So on the MidEvils Twitter, you can very clearly see here, it's the latest message under like the pin message so far, vote.primevils.com. It's what? Bird Prime versus Lizard Prime. I mean, I would really just call this one Mender Pig. But we'll go with Lizard Prime. So far there's 2 days and 11 hours left. 938 votes have been cast so far. 57 goes to Bird Prime and only 43 to Lizard Prime. Anyways, anyone can still vote, right? There's 2.5 more days yet to go. And anyone remotely interested in NFTs on Solana, on like these kind of mechanisms, etc., try it out. Small little sidestep. This is not a sponsored ad. This is not like a sponsored video.